Perennials add vivid blooms, striking foliage, and variety to garden displays. Peach perennials, ranging from soft blush to bright orange, bring both classic romance and modern flair. Use them as a main color theme or as vibrant accents to elevate garden arrangements with their warm, inviting tones. Let's explore the best peach flower perennial for garden. Starting with rose. Perennial roses, often referred to as rosa, thrive in zones 3 to 9, depending on the variety. They prefer full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to promote healthy blooms. For optimal growth, water them regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but well-drained. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Perennial roses benefit from regular pruning and deadheading to encourage new blooms and maintain shape. With a wide range of colors and fragrances, these resilient plants not only enhance garden aesthetics but also attract pollinators, making them a beloved choice for gardeners. Peony, coral sunset. Peonies, with their lush, often semi-double or double blooms, are standout garden features. They bloom once a season, from late spring to early summer, but selecting varieties with staggered bloom times extends their display. Coral sunset offers apricot orange hues on strong stems, blooming early in spring. Coral charm follows mid-spring with vibrant peachy shades, while apricot whisper opens pale peach, single flowers 7 inches across. Peonies pair beautifully with hellebore, daffodils, and salvia and bring interest year-round with buds, blooms, and autumn foliage. They prefer full sun with afternoon shade, with some varieties needing staking for support. Dahlia, peaches and cream. It captivates with peach, pink, and ivory blooms that are 6 to 8 inches wide, featuring broad, slightly curled petals in a fully rounded shape. This decorative dahlia grows to 5 feet tall. Apricot Desire offers a soft, pale peach double bloom with a waterlily form, set off by dark stems and green foliage, lasting from midsummer to frost on 3 to 4 foot plants. Pair dahlias with geraniums, agastache, and salvia for a vibrant summer garden. Dahlias thrive in full sun with moist, well-drained soil, adding drama and making gorgeous cut flowers. Keep them away from pets, as they're toxic. Agastache, peachy keen. Peach hues are plentiful in agastache perennials, offering more compact growth and a neater look than older varieties. Peachy keen displays lovely apricot peach blooms with vibrant pink calyxas, creating a striking floral display. From the meant-to-be collection, Queen Nectarine stands out for its improved performance, featuring taller, hardier plants with lush blooms covering the upper 2/3. Mauve calyxas remain into fall for extended color. Agastache blooms profusely from summer to frost and pairs well with perennials like asters and ornamental grasses, as well as annuals like coleus. Thriving in full sun and dry soil, agastache requires minimal care. Foxglove, Dalmatian peach. Foxgloves, with their bell-shaped blooms on tall stems, make striking early summer additions to the garden. Digitalis purpurae, Dalmatian peach, has sturdy stems bearing creamy peach flowers with orange speckles that start as pinky peach, then soften to yellow. The Dalmatian series is known for its quick growth and vigor. Apricot Beauty offers pastel apricot pink blooms on 3 to 4 foot stems, creating showy garden displays and cut flowers. Peach foxgloves pair beautifully with poppies, snapdragons, hosta, euchera, and astil. They thrive in part sun with consistently moist, well-drained, and organically rich soil, adding a lush backdrop to any garden. Gaillardia, Mesa peach. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, brightens gardens with its daisy-like blooms in gold, orange, red, and bicolor, featuring brown centers. This North American native blooms from summer into fall, thriving in drought and heat. Gaillardia x grandiflora, Mesa peach, showcases upright blooms with peach-orange centers fading to yellow, offering a softer hue than its parent species. Gaillardia aristata, Arizona apricot, features vibrant apricot blooms with deep orange centers and yellow tips, reaching 1 foot tall. Blanket flowers flourish in poor, sandy soils and require minimal care. To extend blooming, provide extra water during dry spells, ensuring a cheerful display throughout the growing season. Salvia, coral nymph. Salvia, or sage, includes over 400 species with pollinator-attracting tubular blooms. Coral nymph is a compact, heat-tolerant variety with peach-white flowers blooming from spring to frost, reaching to 2-3 feet tall. It may self-seed and requires minimal care. Deadheading prolongs flowering. Heatwave Glow, part of the hardy Heatwave series, displays light peach blooms with rosy edges on 2-foot plants. Another hybrid, California Sunset, blooms in blush apricot on shrubby plants reaching 3 feet tall and 4 feet wide. Salvia thrives in sun and dry conditions, pairing well with Rudbeckia, Echinacea, and yarrow, and its foliage resists deer and rabbits. Echinacea, Princess Peach. Echinacea, or coneflower, is a classic native summer bloomer, attracting pollinators with its ray flowers and providing winter food for birds with its seed heads. Peachy cultivars add color from soft to vibrant tones. Princess Peach offers double-edged petals on compact plants with extended blooms. Tall and fragrant, Big Kahuna has large melon-pink flowers that fade to yellow-orange on 2-foot stems. Butterfly Rainbow Marcella delivers vibrant pink and orange on 18-inch plants, ideal for a bold garden statement. Pair coneflowers with Agastache, Monarda, and ornamental grasses. Thriving in heat, Echinacea prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Daylily, Apricot Sparkles. Cheerful daylilies follow the sun, opening their blossoms during the day and closing at night. While each flower lasts only a day or two, abundant blooms provide lasting color throughout the warm season. Hemerocallis, Apricot Sparkles features true peach flowers with diamond dust and ruffled edges, growing 15 inches tall, perfect for containers and borders. This variety blooms early from May to June and reblooms later. Daylilies thrive in various soil conditions and benefit from moisture during dry spells, complementing plants like Coreopsis and Echinacea. Abutilon, Sauvignon de Beaune. Abutilon, or flowering maple, is a distinctive perennial featuring maple-shaped leaves and tropical blooms that add elegance to any garden. The folded, mallow-like flowers resemble Chinese lanterns and come in vibrant colors from orange to red. Abutilon pictum, Sauvignon de Beaune, showcases rich salmon-pink flowers and striking blue-green variegated leaves with creamy edges, blooming from spring through fall, or year-round in warmer climates. Abutilon x hybridum, Bela apricot, grows compactly at 18 inches tall, displaying large copper peach flowers with red veins. Thriving in moist, well-draining soil, Abutilon benefits from consistent moisture and can be grown in containers for winter indoors. Astil Peach Blossom. Astil brightens shade gardens with its frothy, colorful plumes during summer. This long-lived perennial is beloved for its unique form and vibrant colors in low-light areas. Astil japonica, Peach Blossom, showcases peach-hued bloom spikes with pink undertones, complemented by glossy green leaves with red tints. As an early season bloomer, it makes a striking addition to any garden. For maximum impact, plant astilbe in groups alongside hostas, columbines, ferns, and euchera. The seed heads that develop post-bloom add year-round interest. Astilbe thrives in consistently moist, organic-rich soil and light shade, flourishing best with dappled sunlight for optimal blooming. Angel's Trumpet. Brugmansia, commonly known as Angel's Trumpet, is a striking tropical shrub renowned for its enormous, pendulous trumpet flowers that emit a strong fragrance, attracting a variety of pollinators, including bats and hummingbirds. Brugmansia versicolor, native to Ecuador, produces the largest blooms, transitioning from creamy white to peachy apricot and blooming from summer until frost. Variegated varieties like Sunset feature creamy white margins on large green leaves, with pale yellow flowers maturing to peach. Peaches and Cream showcases ivory blooms that warm to yellow peach, with blue-green leaves edged in white. Brugmansia thrives in rich, moist, well-drained soil and prefers morning sun and dappled afternoon light. It is toxic, so caution is advised. Yarrow, Firefly Peach Sky. Yarrow, a hardy North American perennial for zones 3 to 8, features broad, flat flower clusters above fern-like foliage that draw pollinators. Firefly Peach Sky dazzles with peach-orange blooms on tall, sturdy stems reaching 2.5 feet, gradually fading to yellow. This upright variety adds height and vibrant color. Apricot Delight, from the Tutti Frutti series, is more compact, growing 1 to 2 feet with flowers in apricot, coral, and red. Yarrow's airy foliage complements bold plants like Coleus and Rudbeckia. Low maintenance and drought tolerant, yarrow thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, making it a valuable, easy-to-grow perennial choice. Daffodil, Kapiti Peach. Daffodils are vibrant spring bulbs that bring color to gardens in late winter and early spring, featuring trumpet-shaped blooms in yellow, white, apricot, and pink. Narcissus, Kapiti Peach, enhances the garden with fragrant, crisp white flowers and deep peach cups that flare, producing multiple blooms per stem in mid-spring. Vanilla Peach showcases creamy yellow flowers with frilly peachy pink butterfly centers, characterized by split cups for a ruffled appearance. Do plant, do so in the fall, grouping bulbs 3 to 6 inches apart and 4 to 6 inches deep. Allow leaves to die back naturally to help bulbs store energy for the next season. Euchera, Peachberry Eyes. Euchera, Peachberry Eyes, from the Primo series, impresses with large, ruffled, peach-toned leaves with a silvery sheen and bright pink undersides. Creamy flowerscapes reach to feet, making elegant cut flowers. Its new growth emerges in vivid peach on burgundy stems. Georgia peach thrives in sun and heat, displaying large, silvery peach leaves with rose veins that deepen in fall. Coral bells grow best in dappled shade with rich, well-drained soil, pairing well with hellebore, pansies, purple fountain grass, or hosta. For a spring touch, underplant with tulips and daffodils to enhance their multi-season color and texture. Kaphia. Kaphia, known as the giant cigar plant or firecracker plant, features tall leafy stems adorned with tubular blooms that attract hummingbirds. This late summer bloomer offers vibrant colors that last into fall. Kaphia micropetala produces bright yellow flowers that mature to deep orange-red, creating a striking peachy glow. Kaphia ignea, hummingbird's lunch, is a compact variety, growing only 14 inches tall with densely packed cherry-red blooms featuring apricot tips. While David variety boasts orange flowers on 3-foot stems. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun and well-drained, evenly moist soils. In colder climates, it can be grown in containers and brought indoors for winter. Touch of peach in the garden enhances visual interest, harmonizing perennials in beds and containers. These shades complement surrounding colors, fostering warmth and a cohesive mood in the landscape.